Now, a couple things I didn't expect to appreciate as much as I do. The seat has ADA heights and it's extra wide, so your knees and thighs are actually comfortable. This isn't something you think about until you have it, and then you notice every other toilet does not have it. There's also a 15-minute sit reminder. You might even be watching this video on your toilet right now. And sitting on a toilet for a very long time, your legs go numb, it's actually not good for you. So the part that actually surprised me the most is what I'm calling the self-cleaning system, because this toilet basically takes care of itself. So here's how it works. The water goes through a triple filter with a replaceable cartridge, so it's always fresh before it even reaches you. Then the UVC sterilization kills the bacteria before it even gets to the nozzle. The nozzle itself gets a UV plus self-cleaning treatment. And when you're done, the bowl gets sprayed with electrolyzed water that sanitizes it automatically. On top of all that, there's a foam shield that keeps splashes and odors contained. So you're not just getting a cleaner experience when you use it, the toilet is maintaining its own hygiene between uses. What? Now that's not something I expect to be talking about in a tech video, but here we are in 2026, and honestly, it's impressive. A few more things worth mentioning. The lid opens and closes automatically when you walk up. You don't have to touch anything. Auto flush after every use, and a night light. At 3 a.m. when you're stumbling to the bathroom, there's no blinding overhead light, or you got your phone, you got the flashlight on. There's a soft glow that guides you to the Tushy Palace. And look, I know I'm being a little goofy, but all these features are really great, and it does literally change the way that you use the bathroom.